Hello, this is Kyle with Rocketman Plumbing. I hope you're having a great day. I want to talk a little bit about hot water heaters and when is a good time to start thinking about replacing them. Most people don't ever think about such things unless the hot water heater starts leaking. And once it starts leaking, then they want it done right away. An old hot water heater, if it gets a lot of buildup inside it and gets a lot of calcium deposits on the rod that goes through the middle of it, and once that happens, every time the hot water heater starts heating up, it starts cracking and popping and making a lot of noise. That is definitely a sign that you should replace it, probably sooner than later. You can talk about changing from a regular hot water heater to a tankless water heater. But let's say your hot water heater is more than 15 years old. Its life expectancy is just about toward the end. Another thing you can look at is on top of the water heater, whether or not you start getting a lot of corrosion on the supply lines going to it. Another thing you want to check is the shut-off valve on top of the hot water heater, whether or not it will shut off all the way. It's good to know because if your hot water heater ruptures and starts leaking, you want to be able to shut that valve off, and that at least diverts a disaster. Bottom line, if you want to be proactive, look at it, see how old it is, and even maybe it's still working fine, but if it's over 15 years old, you might as well get a price on what it would cost, number one, to bring it up to code when you do have it replaced, because codes have changed on what you have to do in order to get to pass inspection. This is Kyle with Rocketman Plumbing. I hope you have good hot water, but if not, give us a call. Thank you. Have a good day.